Hey yo, and welcome to a new video today. My name is Cosmic Plays YTYT. That's probably not what you see as my username right now. My username here is actually Cosmic Plays YT. Um, Sadly I only got like 3 subscribers, and one of them is myself. But today we're going to be playing, let's see, what's the best game, what's the game I'm on right now? Can any of y'all guess? Yes it is, it's Bed Wars. The best game on the entire planet, and today I'm gonna try and do 1v1. 1v1v1v1v1, how many people, I don't care. 8 per, yeah. But, let's get into this. Oh, it's my favorite map, Speedway. But for some reason, a lot of people like freaking building to me, and for some reason, I'm always pink. You tell me, oh wait, what is this, Aqua? I'm Aqua this time. I'm gonna go kill Pink, cause that's where they always go for when I'm Pink. It's like Pink is the weakest color. I don't get it. Do any of y'all get it? At this point, I shouldn't even care about my bed. I should care about destroying other people's beds before they kill me. You know? You know how I feel? You know how y'all people feel? Y'all feel the same as me. I get sick and tired of all the people disobeying me. Like, what the heck? I'm better when I do 4v4. Listen when I say 4v4. Legit? Oh my god! I feel so bad for Pink. Are you ready for this? I don't even know why I bought TNT. I don't care if someone destroys my bed. Yo. Bed destruction and T minus 15 seconds. Yo! He wasn't ready for that! He wasn't ready for that! He was not! He wasn't ready for that! He wasn't ready for that! Yo! Oh, you little peanut brittle cancer! He's a bit of a peanut brittle cancer dude. Astrid! No! You little smuggler! Yo! No, and I don't have any blocks! Oh, got my voice. Oh my god! He didn't have anything on his bed. Dude, I'm ready for him. Come at me, bro. Come at me. Yeah, you're scared. Be killed in one shot. PvP, come on. Come on, man. Come on. I know you want to kill me. Come on. By the time you get over here, I'll already have an iron sword. Lost it, riots, gunfire inside my head. Don't judge with my voices. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go kill White. Wait, where is he? Is that him? I'm kind of colorblind now. I'm colorblind now. You destroy my bed? You mess with me. Okay? You mess with the guy who destroyed, yeah. Yo! I wish I could play that back. Yo, okay, right there, I got a little scared that I was gonna fall. Okay. Oh snap, it's just me and Green. Okay, wait. Okay, green is over there. I could kill. Oh my god. I could easily kill this guy dead, but. Okay, guys, after this round, that's it for the video. I honestly hope y'all actually enjoyed this. I enjoyed this quite myself. It was, the most hilarious. Oh my god, I can't believe I destroyed someone's bed. You don't see that sometimes. Okay, this guy got iron armor. Yo, he abandoned his. He um he abandoned his bed.